very fast.
Yes, they get consumed very fast. That's right.
But the number pyramid of each is will be like the normal.
Yes. Lastly, limitations of these pyramids. I said the first and the foremost limitation is it does not consider a species at different trophic levels. The biggest of all limitations. The second is it is considering a simple food chain, not a food web. And lastly, saprophytes are not given any place in this pyramid. So, three very vital, missing links in the pyramids. That's why the pyramids are more theoretical in nature than practical. Okay. So, we have finished all the three chapters. All the three chapters in the unit are done. Yes. Whenever I finish ecology, right now, please, whenever I finish the unit of ecology, I always make a note of it in my calendar, the date, because it is a very big date. Ecology is one of a big burden, right? Which today I have unloaded on you all. दे दिया आप लोग को. Now it is for you all to play around. Please. Now with ecology out of the way, we have three more chapters to do. We are left with microbes in human welfare, which is a part of unit number 8. Human welfare wala part. Second, we've got cockroach and frog to be done. And third is evolution. Now, cockroach and frog. Why please? Cockroach and frog, because the NTA syllabus says you have to study the morphology of an insect. Or bracket में उन्होंने लिखा है frog. So I don't know what new species they have discovered. Right? Which insect is called as frog, I don't know. So for that purpose, we have to spend 3 lectures and study cockroach. Cockroach as a topic is a little bigger, so it will take 1 lecture for frog. So it will take 4 lectures to finish both the topics. Microbes. If I am given 2 hours, I can finish it in 1 lecture. Please, these 2 chapters I take 5 lectures and 5 lectures for evolution. Evolution will take 5 lectures. Now my predicament is, my question is, before we go for the vacation, I have got 5 lectures. No, I have decided that we will go with cockroach and frog. The reason behind this, when you come post vacation, right now, I want to do evolution then, because वेकेशन के जाने के टाइम पे तुम्हारा वेकेशन का मूड 2 हफ्ते से पहले से बन जाता है. And that is it. And evolution is, it has a lot of borrowing from genetics. So it is a little, not a very easy chapter, a little difficult to grasp chapter. So I don't want to do it before the vacation, right? I want to do it after the vacation. So that is why we will do. And the notes for that you will get it by this week, I think.